Good morning from Moody Moose Farms. We are rabbit changing this morning. I thought you've seen our chores on the outside quite a bit. I thought we'd show us the about every third day rabbit change. Well, poo change, I suppose. We're really changing a rabbit. Oh, there's Orange Head. And not the one you're thinking of, really. You know how they say the late president, not late, but last president, they call him Orange Head or whatever. I guess that was a term of endearment, I suppose. So when you the wood chips, we buy these wood chips from a guy who works at a toy making factory. Get those huge bags and get a saw for, what is it, $5?
I thought they were 10 each.
Yeah, damn, $5 something. Still.
I could be wrong.
I don't remember. It's been a while. We bought some of these bags.
Oh. Nice.
Hey, you don't want to dine in with your rabbits.
I gotta give them water.
And I gotta change the food. Is that what I think she has in there?
Yeah. You mean Gwen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, the problem with rabbits inside is that is El Stingo. Be glad you don't have smell-o-vision.
Food and water, all taken care of.
Food and water.
Now I say sayonara. How do you say that?
So what?
Sayonara.
Sayonara. Okay, that's my wonderful, non-offensive statement of a person's language. Sayonara. Sayonara.
I'm trying to be nice. There's no meanness in me.
What is that? How does that go?
I just didn't care to pronounce it.
Now you got me all mixed up. I can't even come up with it.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. That's it. Sayonara. Adios, amigos. Later, Gator.
How about I just say I'll
See
see you in a little bit?
you later, honey.
I'm gonna go take care of them.
Love you, darling. Sweetie. Cookie pie. Well, probably be apple pie, so I like apple better, but
Wait, what?
nothing. So tell her.
Love you.
Oh, I love you too. Stinky. What? It's 25 degrees outside. You gotta wash this off. Every time you do it, you create an ice rink. It's just a little slippery out there. We change our indoor rabbit bedding about every 2.5 to 3 days. Because if you don't, it is a semi-heated building. I mean, it's heated, but it's not like 70, it's like 50, keep it 50. And so it gets a little stinky. This one here weighs probably, I'm gonna guess 15 to 20 pounds worth of rabbit garden fertilizer, we'll call it. Most of it is liquid. And as you can see, I have to kind of dump the liquid out to go wash it out. And boy, rabbit pee, whew, not pretty. Gonna have to edit this one, but tell you what, washing it off in like this temperature, it gets you a little bit gets you just a little bit cold out there. Now I'll tell you what, these, I think I mentioned, excuse me. I mentioned them before. These are I get the hiccups. PVC coated gloves. Not good for nimble work, but excellent when you want to keep your hands dry. Oh! Dry, and I ain't had the right type of drink this morning. In fact, I only had 1 cup of coffee, so this ain't. Oh goodness. I don't know if anybody else out there gets hiccups with burps. They're not fun. And this is why you have to wash them out, because got it. Woo! Big gate. I don't know if you all have the same problem I do, but the garden hoses. Flip my mic. Garden hoses. I'm on a rant for a second. I hate them. Excuse me. We need them, but I hate them. I buy the stretchy ones, the ones you see on TV, and they stretch it out. They work, but they also break. Excuse me. And they don't work so well for long term. If you water a flower every week or so, it's great, but not for a farm. Get the heavy duty construction ones. They weigh 10,000 pounds, and even they kink. Buy cheap ones, they kink, so I don't know. Still waiting for the better garden hose, I guess. When I get the hiccups, I have a tendency to have hiccups and burps at the same time. See? I'm a burp up in my world. There we go. made this for the rabbit to hide in. But she really likes it. I was going to make 3 of them. But, old adage on a farm, cut once, measure twice. I didn't do that. I made it like a core, like a 16th of an inch, barely. 16th of an inch too big. Blah, 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 blah. Let's try this again. I made this about a 16th of an inch too big, so I got to take it down and redo it. So, project for later, I'll show you. So now we have a wheelbarrow full of garden fertilizer, we call it. Anyways, I know some people say you shouldn't put the hay and stuff on it, but we wanted the layer on garden anyways to, compost the soil. Because we want to have a better garden this year. It wouldn't do it well last year. Yeah, our overall barn's kind of a mess, but when you work a hobby farm, or what we're doing, it kind of tends to things like organization can take a side step to work and jobs and businesses and so. Woo! I see. One of the habits, one of the drawbacks of farming in the north is ice in winter. Doubt you can hear me because you have such wind blowing today. We'll just let the snow compact that down, till it in the winter. Alright, well, that's us this morning. Got a bunch of running to do, Tractor Supply to get some food for the animals. Yep. And yeah, I think that's about it. So field. I don't know if you can see them, but they're snow devils. It's probably 26 with a 10-mile-an-hour wind. You see the snow devils over there. It's just like dust devils, but made of snow. And it's really, really cold, so I'm going back in and try to have some coffee, cure this hiccup. Bye.